warm on my soul. Jah light shining, never grow cold. Girl, when you smile, the whole world eats like a gentle wind through the coconut trees. Your touch like rain in a drought so long. You bring the rhythm, you are my song. From the hills to the valleys low, everywhere that your love will go, I'll be standing strong and true. Every heartbeat calling you. One love flame, burning bright tonight, guided by the stars, shining pure and right. No storm can break what we feel inside. One love flame, let it never hide.
Yo, she the queen of my heart, no throne can replace. Natural beauty, see the light in her face. From the struggle we rise, now we standing tall. Through the fire and the rain, we conquer it all. Love not a game, it's a spiritual tie. Elevate your soul, take it high to the sky. No illusion, no disguise, just truth we defend. From beginning to the very last day.
One love flame, burning bright tonight, guided by the stars, shining pure and right. No storm can break what we feel inside. One love flame, let it never hide. Hold me closer when the night gets cold. Your love is richer than silver and gold. Through every trial, we will remain dancing forever in Jah love flame.
When the morning come, I'll call your name. Every sunrise feels just the same.
Blessed by love that we can share, a sacred bond beyond compare.
Yeah, from treadstone roots to a higher ground. Real love lost is a love not found. So me
Protect it like a treasure chest.
her love alone make me feel so blessed.
One love flame, burning bright tonight, guided by the star, shining pure and right. No storm can break what we feel inside. One love flame, forever we ride. Oh yeah,
Love will guide forever side by side. In the silence of the night, I hear your breath so near. Like a whisper of forever calming every fear. Your love a guiding river flowing deep and wide. And in its gentle current I will always reside. When the world gets heavy and the pressure rise, I see the truth and comfort shining in your eyes. You lift me higher than the mountains ever stand. With just your touch, your voice, your steady hand. From the first day we met, I felt the spark ignite like a candle in the darkness, bringing latest light. Now every step I take is walking next to you in a journey full of blessings, pure and true. Your laughter like music drifting through the air. Every melody reminding me you care. Even in the chaos, your love remains strong. A perfect harmony where we both belong. Through the trials and the storms we face in life, you stand beside me, cutting through the strife. A warrior of love with a heart so bold, more precious than diamonds, more valuable than gold. Let the world keep spinning, we'll stand still, bound by a force stronger than will. No distance, no time can tear apart the sacred connection within our heart. Under moonlight skies we share our dreams, building a future stronger than it seems. With every promise whispered soft and low, our love continues endlessly to grow. Even when shadows try to cloud the day, your light will always guide my way. A beacon shining through every doubt, a love so strong it cannot burn out. find my peace. All my worries slowly cease, like ocean waves upon the shore. You give me strength forevermore. From the roots of struggle, we rise above, growing stronger in the soil of love. Every lesson shaping who we are, guided always by our shining star. If the road gets rough and the nights grow long, we'll keep moving steady, keep holding strong. Through every valley, every climb, our hearts will beat in perfect time. Your voice a melody I can't ignore, calling me back forevermore. No matter where this life may roam, your love will always be my home. We plant the seeds of a love so true, water daily by me and you. And as it blossoms, the whole world sees a love as vast as the endless seas. No jealousy, no fear inside, just truth and trust we cannot hide. A foundation built on honesty, a perfect union, wild and free. When time goes by and we grow old, a story of love will still be told. Through every wrinkle, every line, your heart forever beating with mine. Even in silence, words not said, your love echoes inside my head. A constant rhythm, soft yet clear, reminding me and you are near. There's the life to a steady groove, every step in a sacred move. No hesitation,